Welcome to the Production Basics factory in Billerica, Massachusetts. This is where we make your workstations and accessories every day. Come on inside, we'll show you how. Today we're making work surfaces. We want to show you the steps involved, the tools we use, and how we maintain consistency in our products. Pallets of industrial particle board are delivered to our CNC router where they are processed in batches. After the router surface is brushed, the board is loaded onto the router and aligned with the locating pins. This ensures the board is square for accurate cutting. A vacuum is turned on to pull the board down tight to the router surface, preventing shifting during processing. Our technician verifies the board is flat with no air pockets or misalignments. Our technician chooses a program that will process the board in 2 steps. Today, we're going to make ESD laminate work surfaces. Holes for the ESD ground bolts are routed. And then the tooling changes so we can trim the board to size and round the corners. We change the tooling again, and then the router returns to the home position. Our technician inspects the board after this first step and removes any scrap from the processing bed that could get in the way. Next, a T-mold slot is cut on the edge of the board. We're finished routing. Now let's make this a real Production Basics work surface. But first, we'll clean up the processing bed. Boards are delivered to the T-mold station. Suction is used to prevent shifting during the T-molding step. We add a slight chamfer to the edge of the board. This guards against cracking the laminate if the edge is disturbed, either during processing or regular use in your facility. We're ready for T-mold. Our T-mold is heated to increase pliability in the rubber, making it easier to process and fit to the board. T-mold is inserted all the way around the perimeter of the board using an air hammer. The 2 ends meet in the back, creating an almost invisible seam. Manipulating the T-mold causes it to stretch. So after the T-mold is inserted, the overlap is trimmed with a blade. This creates a smooth and comfortable edge on the work surface. The work surface is given a final quality check and then shipped to the customer. Thank you for visiting our factory. See you next time. For more information on how we manufacture and assemble our products, visit video.pbasics.com.
You'll wait and dry a little bit?
Yeah.